It's amazing to me why we keep loving this country, and this country does not love us back.
We have a developing story going on in the NBA. The Milwaukee Bucks are boycotting Game 5.
It's going to be a trickle-down effect. 14 games in total across the NBA, MLB, MLS, and WNBA were postponed Wednesday.
You want to talk about really provoking change. This is an appropriate way to go about it. You haven't seen anything like this in the modern era.
Break the system.
We are scared as black people in America.
We aren't just basketball players.
Everybody was in favor of sending a message and a statement.
Gotta stand for something.
Being a black man in America, it's not easy. People still don't care.
We're calling for justice for Jacob Blake.
Our focus today cannot be on basketball.
Gotta wake up, but we still got a chance to take action.
The NBA season is set to restart. The playoffs resume today after 3 days of protests. It starts with the Bucks taking on the Magic at 3:30 on ESPN. Milwaukee's won 3 straight after dropping Game 1. A huge Game 5 between the Rockets and Thunder, who are tied 2-2 after consecutive OKC wins. Houston's Russell Westbrook set to return after missing the first 4 games with a quad injury. And the Lakers are looking to finish off the Trailblazers. LA dropped Game 1 but has come back to take a 3-1 lead. Blazers star Damian Lillard has left the bubble to have his knee examined. With that, we welcome in our NBA analyst David Fizdale here on SportsCenter. David, such a turbulent few days. On Wednesday night, it looked like the season might be over. Today, the playoffs pick up again. As someone who has been around the game for decades, how would you put into context the events that have played out in Orlando this week?
Well, I would say I put it up there with one of the most historic events in sports history. Obviously, Muhammad Ali refusing to go to Vietnam was right up there as well. But I think for so many athletes to stand together and say enough, and put their sports on the back burner in this day and age with the amount of money that's circulating through the sport, I just think it's monumental. And I really want to commend Doc Rivers for really galvanizing. He hit the right tone, and he put a voice to it, and he put the words to it that really spoke to what was going on. And so I really want to commend Doc for that.
Yeah, it's a historic moment we are all witnessing. Now, Coach, let's go on the court. The Lakers have a chance to eliminate the Blazers tonight. Who will be without Damian Lillard due to a knee injury? What's going to be the key for the Lakers to come away with a win tonight?
It's just got to be about business tonight for the Lakers. They can't come around messing around because Dame Lillard's not playing. They really got to come out and close this team, and they got to do it early. I think they do that with ball pressure. I think they do that with contesting shots, holding them to one shot or no shots, really running against them and putting pressure on the rim, trying to break their will, and guys on the outside ready to knock down shots. But they got to come out with the mindset that they're going to try to end this early and really put their foots on their neck.
All right, we'll see what happens. Lakers and Blazers will tip off at 9 Eastern tonight.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.